Hello everyone, today we are making some pesto spaghetti pasta. You can also use any other pasta, penne or any other spiral pasta for this recipe. Let's start. We will start making the pesto sauce, then boil the spaghetti and then assemble it. Let's start with the pesto sauce. First we will take a bowl. In that we will add around 3 cups of basil leaves, and to that we will add around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, some nuts. Traditionally it is made with pine nuts, but you can also add almonds, walnuts or peanuts or any other nut that you have, even cashew nuts. Then we will add cheese. We use Parmesan cheese, but since I didn't have that, I am using processed cheese here. Then we will add some olive oil, some salt and some pepper according to your taste. And now we will make a fine paste out of it. Please ensure that you do not add any water to this paste. You can add olive oil if you require, but please do not add any water to this. Let's make a fine paste of it. It should be a smooth paste like how you can see. Yes. Now let's start boiling the spaghetti. We will take a pan. In that we will put the pasta to boil. Please do not break the spaghetti if you are using spaghetti. You can slide it down after one part has become soft, but please do not break it. Start adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Make sure that it is very salty, like sea water, because that salt will be absorbed by the pasta. Now we will add around 150 grams of spaghetti. See, I haven't broken them. I have just kept them like this. And now I will use my hands to slide the other part down too. Just see, it slides very easily without any effort. Now let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes, and after that we will check. It's called al dente, which means that it has to be 80% cooked. Now let's start assembling. We will take a pan to which we will add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. After the oil is hot enough, we will add our baby tomatoes. I have taken around 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes. Now just saute it for 2 minutes and then just add 4 tablespoons of the pesto dip that we have made. You can also use this dip for your lavash or for eating any of the crackers that you have. This tastes heavenly and it stays well in the fridge for a week around. Now saute this and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we will start adding our spaghetti. Mix it, give it a nice stir. Add very little salt to it because we have already added salt to our pasta. So just taste before adding the salt. And add some seasoning. I have added some oreganos and chili flakes. And now our pasta is ready to serve. Serve it hot, because if it's kept, then the color changes and it doesn't look that pretty. So just serve it hot and it's nice and delicious. Let's just dig into it and taste how it tastes. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe the channel, as it really keeps me motivated to put more videos. Thank you so much for watching the video and showing love.